In 2023, the utilization and harnessing of rich volume of vehicle sensor data for developing and delivering actionable and mission-critical insights for shops and fleets will be the key focus for diagnostic solution providers. We expect higher levels of data generated from these sensors and new sensors such as wheel end sensors, brake sensors, ADAS sensors, video sensors, etc. We also expect stronger partnerships between key stakeholders in leveraging vehicle data to develop diagnostics and troubleshooting solutions. We at Nargon drive shop productivity and fleet equipment uptime by working with industry standard organizations, leading global truck manufacturers, and Tier 1 suppliers to develop advanced diagnostic solutions. As a result of sensorization, platformization, penetration of telematics, and adoption of product-as-a-service business models, we see the rise of profit drivers for the commercial vehicle aftermarket as a key megatrend that will accelerate digital transformation of proactive organization. Check out our Outlook study titled Unpacking Commercial Vehicle Diagnostics Market 2023 to learn more about industry megatrends that will drive growth opportunities for your business this year.